In this video, we're going to talk about careers in software testing. I'm sure as a student, you're asking yourself, after taking this course, what can I do with it? What kind of career can I have? Yes, after taking this course, you will become equipped with the knowledge and the skills to become a manual tester. You can start your career as a manual tester. A manual tester, of course, test software products manually, right? Clicking buttons, drop downs, interacting with software products as a just like a user would, just like a normal user would, and finding out the defects, what's working, what is not working, you know, noting it down for the developers to work on to improve the product. That's the job of a tester. That's the job of a manual tester. They interact with the product, find out defects with the ideology of finding out defects that are embedded in the product during the software development process, right? And they note those defects down and share it with the developers for them to work on, them to fix, so they can build a better product through this cycle, right? So you can get a job as a manual QA, as a junior QA engineer after taking this course right off the bat, right? You can get a job as a QA engineer, junior QA engineer, QA tester, right? These are roles you can easily get after taking this course, and you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to dive into these roles and make the best of them, right? Down the line, you might also need to take the ISTQB exam. ISTQB exam is the International Software Testing Qualification exam, right? Each country have their own branches of ISTQB, right? Like America has ASTQB, Nigeria has NGSTQB. You can also take the exam, ISTQB exam that is for your own region, right? So ISTQB exam shows that you have the skills to become a tester, shows that you have the required skills, knowledge of a tester, right? So taking the ISTQB exam will be very beneficial for you because you have to start with the CTFL, the Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. That is the beginner stage of the ISTQB exam. Then you can go to, so wish you can go to the intermediate stage of the ISTQB exam. And you can also go to higher advanced level stages, which qualify you, of course, for advanced level roles. Right. So these are things you can do after taking this course. These are things you can do. And of course, in the intermediate stage, you can get a job of a QA engineer, QA tester, manual tester, in the intermediate stage after you've done a few years, right? Done a few years, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, you become an intermediate engineer, you get paid better, right? And of course, to get to the advanced level of testing, you need to become an engineer, a test automation engineer, right? Test automation engineering is the advanced level of QA engineering, which involves writing code to test other people's software, writing code to test software automatically. So that's the whole crux of test automation engineering is you write some code to automatically run tests that you run repeatedly, right? And that's when you write that code when you want to run those tests, all you have to do is press play and a bot runs those tests for you and reviews if there have been changes, if there are defects, if things have changed in that piece of software since the last time you tested it. That's what test automation engineering is about. So you can become a QA engineer that's the advanced level, a QA test automation engineer. You need to know some programming like Java, JavaScript, Groovy, uh, maybe even Python, because you can do it also with Python. So these are the advanced levels of QA engineering, right? And of course, after you've proven yourself to your employers in these levels, you can get, of course, team lead roles, QA manager roles. There are also ISTQB courses for all these. You can check out ISTQB. I'm going to include the link in the video description. Where you can check out ISTQB to see all the courses, all the certification exams they provide for each of these level of QA engineering. You can be an agile tester, can be can be a mobile app tester, you can be an AI tester, blockchain tester, lots of career paths when you take this course. So I encourage you to focus, pay attention, and as we go down the course, and you see how testing principles work and how it plays out in all these career paths. So see you in the next video.